they're red.
I got the camera. Spot tail.
Red.
I caught my first red of the season last week. Go under. That's the jump wing right there.
Robert, grab the wood.
A woodchuck, wood.
How much wood?
No, it don't. Looks like 20. Where's Jenny? She wanna see fish. Do it. Ooh. Where'd you catch it off?
1 minute.
Ooh, John, what do you tell me? Then why didn't you try, John? What pound test is it?
20-pound braid. I mean, that should be fine.
Yeah.
As long as it doesn't pop the knot.
Go on his stay. Yeah, just drop it down already. Get it down. He's gonna come. He's coming in this way. He's done. He's done. Put him straight down. He's done. Here's a few kicks left.
Oh, he looks. I'm not sure.
I think he's a keeper.
He might.
I mean, I don't think I'm gonna keep him anyway. I'm gonna let it go. Unless anyone else wants him.
Yeah, I want him to keep the spot.
Do you guys want him?
Yeah.
I'll just
Chowing wants it.
if I can get him in. That's not big to get.
Let me 23 exactly.
Yeah, because 24 is a slot, right?
There it is. Red over slot. 23 is perfect.
Oh, isn't it?
Oh, I'll get his slot either.
Hey, no, it's too big. This one's too big. It's too big, John. We already saw the fish.
Come in.
Alright, it's coming in. Like straight down. You got it straight down. Back up. Hand line it. Alright, he's coming in. Stop. He's right here. He's right here.
Get in the water.
Let me get the line.
Yeah, you
I have to pull the line in.
Pull him over to me.
Hey, come on.
Real gold. Here, get him. Come on.
Get him.
Oh, I almost fell in. Shoot. Here, pull him in over.
Drop it down more. Is he in?
Yep.
He's in. Pull him up.
I almost fell in.
Robert, I have to record and do all
Is that
this.
a keeper? Is it a keeper?
It might be.
It might be a keeper.
Might be.
It looks like a 43.
What kind of fish is that?
So.
Spot tail bass.
Hey, wait.
You go get
They
it.
have it here. They have it. It's on the.
Robert, go in. Go in my tackle box and get it.
No, we don't need it.
It's not.
There's
Mine's right there though.
No, but this one you can lay it flat.
It's a room. Right here by this little girl.
I told her like that. Oh,
Yeah.
tưởng mày
Hôm nay cho mình nêu nó đúng sai.
Yeah, that's way too big.
Too big?
It's too big. It's 26.
Oh, watch over the hook. I'll toss him back.
Wait,
We'll get some pictures there.
how long is that?
Come stand right by me. See how they're measuring him? They're checking.
25.
Oh,
Too big?
25
2
inch.
inch. 2 inch.
bự lắm, cái gà lại hả?